Hello, good afternoon, morning, good evening, everyone, depending on where you are watching us from. So in this presentation, we want to look at a very simple concept of probability distribution. In this case, we want to deal with a case under normal distribution, all right? Where I would want to know maybe the percentage of a score marks that lie between certain marks, all right? And also just to demonstrate how we can use the Z table, all right? Yeah, to see maybe how we can help someone there to use the Z table. All right, so let's look at the question. The question is, given a normal distribution of 500D scores, all right, with mean 40 and standard deviation 8, what percentage of scores lies between 36 and 48? All right, so what we can do is, what we need is to get the data. We need to collect the data first for the information. So we know that we are talking about a normal distribution of 500 scores. So our N is 500. Then we have got the mean, which is mu. The mean is 40. All right. And the standard deviation is 8. So since we are talking about the normal distribution, so this implies that the formula is Z is equal to X minus mu, which is the mean, divided by the standard deviation. Now, since we have got two values, that is X1 is 36 and X2 is 48. Okay, meaning that we can come up with the two values of Z. So Z1 will be equal to X1 minus mu divided by X1 minus mu divided by the standard deviation. So we can compute Z1. Okay. So we are saying Z1 is equal to X1 is 36 minus our mu is 40 divided by standard deviation is 8. Okay, so this will give us -4 divided by 8. This will finally give us -0.5 sigma. All right. Then we find the Z2. And Z2 will be equal to X2 minus mu divided by sigma. This will be equal to 48 minus 40 divided by 8. This will give us 8 divided by 8, and this is what? 1 sigma. Now, for you to have a clear picture, it's better you draw the normal curve. You know that the normal curve, which is the bell-shaped curve, is centered at our mu is 0 here. So we have got 0 mu there. Then it will curve down. For some reason, this curve will never touch the horizontal axis. It will never touch the horizontal axis. All right. Something like that. So we'll have here we'll have plus 1 mu. Here you have got plus 2 mu. Then here you have plus 3 mu. All right. Here negative 1 mu. Then we'll go to negative 2 mu. And finally, we have negative 3 mu. Yeah, I do not have I'm unable to use a ruler for some reason. So I'll just do this. Okay. Now, we're interested in negative 0.5 sigma, not mu, of course, sigma. So negative 0.5 is somewhere here. So this is negative 0.5 here, and the 1, we're talking about 1, which is this one. So now we want the percentage of cases that lie between 0.5 and 1. I hope this is fine. The percentage of cases that lie between 0.5 and 1. So this is the area we are talking about. This is the area we are talking about. This is the area we are talking about. I hope this is fine. So we can find the percentage. We can first find the percentage of cases that lie between 0 sigma and negative 0.5 sigma. Okay. And this implies that what we get. So the 0 sigma, take note, is the mu, all right, which is the mu. So in this case, to do that, you just get the table, the Z table, that gives the values in between. All right. So okay, so this is my table. I hope you can see. We're interested in just 0.5, all right, because we're talking about 0.5 and 1 now in between. So you check for 0.5. This is 0.5. I hope you can see. I'm trying to zoom so that you can see clearly. area between mean and z. So between mean, in this case, it is 0, which is our mu, 0 sigma, and the z, which is 0.5. So this is what we have. This is what we have here. Not beyond, but between. All right, so 0.195. So this is it. 0.1915. I can go back to it. Yeah. Okay. This is what we have. So, as a percentage, this is the same as 19.15%. So, of the 500, so we have got 19.15% lying between mu and the negative 0.5. Then we can also get so what we mean here is we are trying to use this. This is our mu, all right? So first we get this, then thereafter we'll come and get the other part. So we can also get the percentage of cases that lie between mu, which is 0 sigma, and the +1 sigma. All right? So this implies that by our table, so please take note the kind of a table I'm using, the kind of Z table I'm using. Okay. So I'm using this kind of a table that gives you the value between the mean and the Z value score. So this is the kind of a table. Please take note, you have to be careful with the kind of a table that you are using. Okay. So now we want 1. We want 1? Yeah, we want 1. So I hope you can see. So 1 is here. Yeah, between the mean and Z. So 0.34113. So 0.3413. Yeah. So as a percent, okay. As a percent, this is equal to 34.13%. So now, to get a percentage of cases that lies between negative 0.5 sigma and positive 1 sigma, we are going to add, all right? So now, we are saying total percentage or percent of cases that lie between the score 36 and 48 is 19.15% plus 34.13%. All right, so, and when you add this, what do you get? You get 53.280%. This is your answer. All right, I hope you are comfortable with how to use the Z table for finding the area between mu and the Z value, or the mu, the Z value, or sigma. All right. Okay, good. Look out for another video on the same, because there'll be a lot of videos on statistics. Okay. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you, and subscribe. For any information, you can contact us on 0978 56 58 76. This is Mr. Phiri. Then also on 0979 67 38 09. This is Mr. Mbondo. Mr. Mbondo. All right. Also, we need to inform you that we have lessons for grade 8 all the way to grade 12 at 500 kwacha per month in a group. Now, these are live lessons. We teach you, okay, live. You are able to observe what you are teaching. It's not recorded videos, no. We don't teach via WhatsApp. There are platforms that we use to conduct live lessons. We also teach individuals, all right? We also have lessons for individuals. Now, for individuals, if you want to be taught alone, you can contact us, then you should be able to agree on the modalities. Also, the 2024 GCE registration has commenced at only 500 kwacha per month in a group, per person, mathematics only. Please subscribe. You can also subscribe to our other channel, which is Kanban phiri-JM, for similar videos. All right. See you next time. This has been Phiri Kanban. Shalom, shalom. Bye-bye.